In this video, we're going to go over how to adjust the closer on your closet doors, whether your closet door isn't staying closed or if it's difficult to open and close. Some minor adjustments will fix that. So the closer is actually located at the top of the closet door. So you'll need a stepladder and a flathead screwdriver. So the closer is actually located on the top of your doors, and so if we open up the door, we see on the frame here this little metal tab. That's what the closer sits into, and there's the closing mechanism right there on the very top of the door with that little white ball. So you see you have the two flathead screws here, that's what makes the adjustment, and then you have the two outside screws, that's what holds the closer on the inside of the door. Okay, so now we're ready to make adjustments. So we go to our flathead screw, and when we turn it clockwise, it's going to actually raise up the little wheel here. And when we go counterclockwise, we're actually lowering it. And we're only lowering the side of the wheel that we're adjusting. Each side raises and lowers, so you need to make nice even adjustments. So I actually have the mechanism right here, and so this is actually what's inside of the door. You can see it has these little springs on it, and there's your wheel and your screws. So these two screws on the outside, that's what secures it down to the door, and the inside screws are what adjust the wheel in the center. So now we'll see why when you turn that screw clockwise, why it's actually raising up that closer on the center. So again, these are the two adjustment screws, and what happens is as that screw pushes down on the spring, it exposes the closer just a bit more. So when we go in this clockwise motion here, and this one was fully raised up, but we can see now that the right side there, the closer is just a bit more exposed. Now when we do it on the left side there, we can see here that it's no longer flush, that it's exposed, and that's why you need the minor adjustments. So now the only step left is to close that closet door, and if you're having trouble closing that door, if it's really too firm to open and close, you know that you adjusted it a bit too much, and so you just open it up, get back up there, and go counterclockwise. That will lower the wheel and make it easier. And if that closet is just opening and closing freely, you know that you didn't adjust enough, so you go clockwise to raise that wheel up. As always, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. This way, if any other resident has the same question, they'll have it answered there.